Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1989 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Indicate which one of the following logic gates can be used to realize all possible combinational logic functions. Which of the gates can be reused to realize all possible combinational logic functions? Okay. So first of all, any combinational logic function, any combinational logic function Any combinational logic function can be represented either by using SOP form or by POS form. That implies nothing but sum of products or product of sums that may be consisting of true as well as complemented variables. Okay, the variable may appear in true as well as complement form in those product of sums as well as sum of products. So that implies nothing but to represent this one, if you are going with okay a set of gates, that implies nothing but and, or, and inverter. If you are going with a set of these three gates at that time, with the help of these three gates, okay, you can realize any combinational logic function. With the help of and or inversion, you can realize any combinational logic function that can be either expressed in SOP or POS form. Okay, so that's why this set is going to be called as complete set. This set is going to be called as complete set. Complete set implies nothing but this set is going to be sufficient enough to represent any combinational logic function. Okay, so out of these four gates given, if any of the gate is going to be realizing all these three functions, by that time with the help of that single gate you can realize any SOP or POS function. That is, any combinational logic function, okay, can be realized with those gates. With that gate, if that gate is able to realize, able to get AND function, OR function, inversion function, okay, at that time simply you can replace that complete set with the help of that gate. So such type of gates are nothing but NAND and NOR gates. So NAND gate and NOR gates, okay, NAND gate and NOR gate are going to be called as universal gates. Universal gates. Why they are called as universal gates? Because with the help of NAND NOR you can get the complete set, AND function, OR function, inversion function. You can get AND or inversion either using NAND gates or by using NOR gates separately. So you can get the complete set, that implies nothing but only with the help of NAND gates or only with the help of NOR gates you can realize any combinational logic function. That's why they are going to be called as universal gates. Universal means it can realize any logic function. Okay, so the right answer for this one is nothing but B and C. The right answer for this one is B and D. Sorry, B and D are going to be NAND and NOR gates are going to be used to realize all possible combinational logic functions. Thank you.